Manipur, a land of grace and strength. Today, with the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu gracing this land, Manipur begins a new chapter of peace, progress and unity. Education is the foundation of a prosperous society. In Imphal and neighbouring districts, 5 girls' hostels and 2 boys' hostels built at 20 crore rupees along with education infrastructure in 2 districts at 6 crore rupees. Further, the new boys and girls' hostels at the Sarita Boxing Academy will help nurture young sporting talent. Health infrastructure across 6 districts in Manipur has been upgraded, bringing essential services closer to communities. Access to clean drinking water expands through 15 water supply schemes, constructed and upgraded across 4 districts with an investment of 100 crore rupees. Reliable electricity for households and industries is ensured with the new 132-33 kV substation at Gamfazol, built at a cost of 28 crore rupees. The Tangkhul Headman's Guest House at Ukhrul preserves traditional institutions while supporting dignified hospitality. In Imphal, a new administrative-cum-training building at the Tribal Research Institute will strengthen research and tribal welfare initiatives. Additionally, the Hill Tribal Chiefs Guest House at Palace Compound, Imphal East, built at 6.5 crore rupees, further enhances tribal administrative infrastructure. New infrastructure for the state police in Imphal and Ukhrul will strengthen the security infrastructure. Women's entrepreneurship receives a major boost with the construction of 4 new EMA markets at a cost of 17 crore rupees, supporting thousands of women vendors. To further strengthen healthcare, the foundation for major health infrastructure across 5 districts with a transformative investment of more than 60 crore rupees has been laid. Power supply across Manipur is set for a major leap. 6 large power sector development projects worth about 340 crore rupees will be implemented, expanding the capacity. Solar lighting systems worth 48 crore rupees will illuminate public spaces across the state, promoting environmental sustainability. New water supply schemes across 5 districts in the state, costing 42 crore rupees, will enhance access to safe drinking water. Urban water management will improve through the development of the Irong Nala water body at 14 crore rupees. Connectivity will improve through road projects across 11 districts worth over 310 crore rupees. To enhance public service delivery, infrastructure creation for district administration in 7 new districts will be developed at a cost of more than 140 crore rupees, strengthening grassroots governance in the state. Infrastructure creation for Manipur Police at both state and district levels, amounting to 85 crore rupees, will significantly strengthen law enforcement capability and improve emergency response. To promote traditional industries, an incubation center for handloom and handicrafts will be established across 3 districts of Manipur, supporting thousands of artisans. Tourism infrastructure will rise with the development of Shirui Heritage Village and Bakshi Ground at Ukhrul, costing 65 crore rupees, and eco-tourism projects in 2 districts at 8 crore rupees. Sports infrastructure will expand through new complexes in 3 districts worth about 35 crore rupees, nurturing young athletes across Manipur. These projects and programs reflect the aspirations of the people of Manipur and the nation's commitment to inclusive and lasting development. As the Honorable President of India inaugurates new infrastructure and lays the foundation for future growth, Manipur moves forward with renewed confidence, unity and hope. Together, the hills and the valley rise towards peace, prosperity and progress.